I got stuck watching reels on Instagram and honestly I couldn't stop. The creativity, amazing motion graphics, smooth animation, sometimes even 3D or liquid glass effects. Everything just blew my mind. How do people make such engaging content? Here is the thing, I can edit videos, but motion graphics, totally different skill. I tried learning After Effects, watched hours of tutorials, and after a few days I was exhausted. I realized this is going to take months I don't have. I have already got a full plate of other work. If you're in the same boat, don't worry, there is a smart way. I had someone who already knows how to do it. When it comes to finding talented editors, animators or motion graphics artists, my go-to platform is Fiverr. And it's never let me down. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I hired 2 skilled reel editors on Fiverr and compare their results so you don't have to figure out the hard way. So you can hire a freelancer, very simple. Just go to fiverr.com or click the link in the video description. Then in the search bar, type the service you're looking for, in my case, reel editing. Fiverr instantly pulls up hundreds of thousands of gigs. A gig is basically like a shop where you can browse and purchase a service. You can go through the gigs, check their showcase videos, read client reviews, rating, and compare prices. Then simply pick the editor that feels right for you. There is also a filter option to narrow down your search by categories, service option, seller details, budget, and definitely delivery time. So finding exactly what you need doesn't take long to all. The first editor I choose is Omar. He's a level-on seller with positive reviews. And looking at his gig video, it was clear that he's skilled in motion graphics, exactly what I was looking for. His packages range from $25 to $80. I went in the premium package to get everything included. By the way, there are plenty of gigs on Fiverr starting from just $5, depending on the seller's experience and quality of work. After a quick chat with Omar to align on details, I went ahead and placed the order. Here is what you need to do before placing yours. Share your footage through Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, whatever you prefer, and include some guidelines or a style reference so editor clearly understands what you are looking for. And that's it. These are the basic things you need to prepare before placing an order. The second editor I choose is Abdul. He is a level 2 seller, which usually means more experience. Let's take a look at his gig video. As you can see, he is also skilled in motion graphics, which is exactly what I am focused on for creating trending reels and shorts. I had a conversation with Abdul about my idea and the kind of short video I wanted to make. Based on my requirements, he sent me a custom offer of $80, which I accepted to move forward. If you're thinking about hiring a freelancer, I have got good news. You can get 10% off your first Fiverr order by following the discounted link. The link and details are also in the video description, so make sure to check that out. Omar just delivered the first video. Let's see what we got. Stop wasting hours inside Adobe Premiere. 3 shortcuts just change everything. Meet Q, W, and E. That's it. Once you learn this, you never edit the same way again. Q and W, this is your ripple trim shortcut and they are game changers. Q trims everything before your playhead. Move the playhead to your start point and hit Q. Everything before it is gone and the gap closes instantly. W does it opposite. Trims everything after the playhead. Park the playhead where you want to end and hit W. Everything after it is gone. Gap closes instantly. No dragging, no deleting gaps, just instant cuts. Set E as your split shortcut. Go to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts, search Add Edit. Next click on Add Edit and click inside the shortcut box and press E. After that hit OK and you are done. E instantly split your clip at the playhead. No more razor tool. Use these 3 keys and you never edit slow again. Okay, honestly this looks really good. The subtitles are clean, the motion graphics are smooth, and the camera movements feel professional. But I noticed 2 small things. First, the keyboard key graphic just doesn't look sharp enough. A simple icon or logo would have made it look way cleaner. Second, the subtitles in this portion could be placed higher on the screen so you can clearly see the final application of 3 shortcuts Q, W, and E without blocking the timeline. Now these are the minor things, nothing that ruins the video. Overall, Omar delivered solid work. But the real question is, how does it compare to the second editor? Let's find out. I have also received the second delivery from Abdul. Let's take a look, then I'll share my thoughts. Stop wasting hours inside Adobe Premiere. The shortcut just change everything. Meet Q, W, and E. That's it. Once you learn this, you never edit the same way again. Q and W, this is your ripple trim shortcut, and they are game changers. Q trims everything before your playhead. Move the playhead to your start point and hit Q. Everything before it is gone, and the gap closes instantly. W does it opposite, trims everything after the playhead. Park the playhead where you want to end and hit W. Everything after it is gone, gap closes instantly. No dragging, no deleting gaps, just instant cuts. Set E as your split shortcut. Go to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts, search Add Edit. Next click on Add Edit and click inside the shortcut box and press E. After that hit OK and you are done. E instantly split your clip at the playhead. No more razor tool. Use these 3 keys and you never edit slow again. The video is absolutely insane, exactly the kind of short form content I was looking for. The whole video is full of energy and eye-catching motion graphics. The sound design is awesome as well. What do you think about both videos? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. So you can easily hire freelancer from Fiverr to boost your projects. You can even hire Omar or Abdul. Their profile links are in the video description. And remember, if you are not happy with the delivery, you can always request revisions. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.